Click the link below the video to visit the official Intellibell website and get the best price while avoiding spammy, adware-ridden sites you'll find elsewhere. The Intellibell Doorbell Camera is a top-tier addition to any home security setup. As a home security expert, I've seen countless products that promise peace of mind, but few deliver like Intellibell. In today's world where safety concerns are growing, having a reliable, user-friendly system to monitor your front door is essential. The Intellibell Doorbell Camera not only meets expectations, it exceeds them. This device offers a range of features designed to enhance your home security. The high-definition camera provides clear, real-time visuals of whoever approaches your door, and the two-way intercom system allows you to communicate directly with visitors from anywhere. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or in another part of the house, you have full control over your front door. The best part? You don't have to be tech-savvy to use it. The mobile app is intuitive and gives you instant access to live footage, so you're always in the loop. One of the standout features of the Intellibell is its infrared night vision. Many security systems struggle with low light conditions, but this one seamlessly switches between day and night modes, ensuring that your home is protected 24/7. Night vision is crucial for home security, especially when you want to sleep safe, knowing nothing can sneak by unnoticed in the dark. With the Intellibell, you can rest assured that your home is being monitored around the clock. The long-lasting 1000 mAh lithium battery is another big advantage. Many smart devices require frequent charging, which can become a hassle, especially if your home relies heavily on its security system. The Intellibell's low-power consumption design ensures that the battery lasts, so you don't have to worry about your security camera going offline when you need it most. And in case of a power outage, the camera stays up and running, keeping your home secure even in the worst scenarios. What makes purchasing the Intellibell even better is the option to pay with PayPal. For many consumers, PayPal offers an added layer of security and convenience. You can make your purchase knowing your financial information is protected, and if any issues arise, PayPal's buyer protection is there to assist. It's just one more way this product enhances your overall peace of mind from the moment you buy it to the day you install it. The reviews for the Intellibell Doorbell Camera are overwhelmingly positive, with many users praising its ease of use and reliability. Gabriella M. from Chicago mentioned that it was the best gift she'd gotten for her grandfather in years. He loves Intellibell. He doesn't need to run to the door anymore, she shared. Another customer, Dylan N. from San Diego, commented, "I travel a lot for work and leave my family alone for days. It's good to be able to see who comes to our door and know I have eyes there." These are just a few examples of how this product is changing lives and improving home security. With Intellibell, you don't just get a doorbell camera, you get peace of mind. It's easy to install, packed with advanced features, and currently available at a significant discount of up to 70%. However, this deal is only available while supplies last, so now is the perfect time to upgrade your home security system. For anyone serious about protecting their home, Intellibell is a no-brainer. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link below the video to go straight to the official website for the best price and avoid shady, ad-ridden websites. Get the Intellibell Doorbell Camera and take control of your home security today.